Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to balance chlorine in your pool. First, regularly test your pool water to understand its current chemical makeup. Pay close attention to your pH levels, aiming for a range between 7.4 and 7.6, as this ensures your chlorine works most effectively. Also, check your alkalinity and calcium hardness. These foundational elements need to be balanced before you fine-tune your chlorine. Once you know your current levels, it's time to adjust. Add chlorine slowly, always following the specific instructions on your product label for your pool's volume. After adding any chemicals, wait several hours, typically 4 to 6, and then retest your water. Your goal is to maintain a free chlorine level between 1 and 3 parts per million for a clean and safe swimming environment. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, issues arise. If you notice algae or a sudden drop in chlorine, it's time to shock your pool. Also, consider using a chlorine stabilizer, like cyanuric acid, to protect your chlorine from being quickly degraded by the sun's ultraviolet rays. Don't forget to clean your pool filter regularly. A clean filter is crucial for maintaining good water circulation and overall clarity. Always prioritize safety when handling pool chemicals. Remember to add chemicals to water, never the other way around, to prevent dangerous reactions. Store all your pool chemicals in a cool, dry, and secure location, out of reach of children and pets. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to click the link in the description below. Happy swimming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.